Welcome guys. Now in this section we will see that how DC supply is provided to MV switchgear. So you can see this MV switchgear, which is specially for the MV incomer, is fed through two different DC supplies. One supply is named as WB4 plus and WB4 minus, and this is basically the source of supply, and it is terminating to, here you can see, BXR13 and BXR14. Further, you can see this is basically one supply is charging motor circuit, another DC supply is used for interlocking circuit, and another supply name is WB3 plus and WB3 minus, and it is coming from another DC source. We can name it as the DC source 2, and it is connected to the panel, incomer panel at let's be XR15 and 6. From here, that interlocking circuit means also all the supply that is required for controlling and operation and controlling tripping, interlocking for the MV switchgear. The first supply you can see, which is used for only for charging motor circuit. So this is a motor, and charging motor means this motor is used, or it is performing the job of charging a spring. So one supply is only used for spring charge. If this MCB fails or this MCB trips F40, then motor will not operate automatically. You have to charge it by a handle. So the another supply here is used for controlling interlocking, opening and closing. Here you can see one supply is fed to the circuit breaker box, VCB box. There is basically a box where VCB is installed, and in this compartment, which is VCB compartment, motor is installed in it, springs are installed, all this mechanism is installed in the VCB. So one supply is fed to this through the MCB F80. So another supply, you can see it is looped back from here to WB3 page number 3A1 and 3B1. So we'll move to the next page. So here you can see the supply is coming from page sheet number 2, and this supply you can see it is fed to BX61 and BX611 through MCB F30, and you can see it is doing the operation of local close, remote close, opening, protection tripping, trip circuit supervision, external trip, under voltage trip, protection trip indication, DC supply fail indications. So all this circuit is energized through this supply. So further it is going to page sheet number 4, WB3 plus and minus. So we are now at sheet number 4. So you can see it is now supplying power to basically the relay, and you can see here this supply is named as protection trip, and this is trip circuit supervision. So this is basically supply for tripping. So you can see this relay supply is coming here through the relay, it is coming to trip coil. I will be explaining this in detail next. So you can see here this further this supply is moving to WB3 sheet number 5. So you can say this is the last loop, and this supply is coming here. So you can see this supply is used again to provide indication as indication contact to relay F60. So you can see this is F60, F650, this overcurrent relay. So these are the binary inputs. So this is feeding power to this circuit. So this is all about, you can see this distribution of supplies. So you can see then this loop, this is called a DC loop, is further continued to the next sheet that we will study in our next slide. So this is how the DC supply is distributed in this circuit. Thank you very much.